voice of Monkey D. Luffy,
Yes,
and I'm
ma'am.
so excited to share these with you today. Alright, we have some fantastic episodes ahead, but first, just a quick reminder, please keep your phones and recording devices away during the screening. This is special just for those people in this room at SDCC. We want to keep it special, so don't forget about that. And speaking of special, don't forget to swing by the Crunchyroll booth or the Toei Animation booth to pick up your paper crowns after the screening. You too can be the Pirate King. Alright, I hope you're getting excited. You are the first audience in the world to see episodes 1123 and 1124 in English dub. I'm so nervous. I'm so excited about this. It's the official dub world premiere of Egghead Arc Part-2, and we have been dying to share it with you. I'm excited to share that these are episodes that are part of a 12-episode block of English dub episodes 1123 to 1133 that will drop on Crunchyroll on August 12th. So those are coming up for you. I can't wait for you to see them all. But make sure that you hang out for both of them because there are credits that roll at the end of episode 1, and please just stay, watch both of them. We've been waiting to share them with you. I want you to see them both. So, whether you are just now catching up on the series, or if you've been watching since day 1, remember that you can stream every episode of One Piece on Crunchyroll on demand, and sit back and get ready to travel to the future island of Egghead.